Peace, family. This is Chris with McMath Autos, and today we have a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland with the 5.7 Hemi. This is a mechanic special. It does have a code. Once I get to a stopping point, I'm gonna put that in there, or I'll post the video in there of reading the code. But yeah, it's kind of lit up like a Christmas tree. But this is it. The radio doesn't work. The AC does need to be charged. Other than that, pretty much everything else works. Sunroof, it works. Seats have wear in it. The dash is wrinkled. But like I said, this is going to be a mechanic special. It has 190,000 miles, so 190,321 as of current. It's gonna have a couple more than that because I'm about to drive it to do this video. It's got the wood grain, the seats, all that good stuff. So this is gonna be a mechanic special. This is the test drive. It actually drives pretty good, but the code is just not allowing it to pass emissions, and I'm pretty much done with this. So I'm gonna pass it on at this kind of rate. I'm looking to get about $2,800 out of this because the engine was replaced at, I believe, 140. So this current engine only has 50,000 miles on it. I will show you the sticker from Jasper's where the engine was sourced at, and you can call and use that to verify it on your own. Be right back with the walk around. Hey y'all, here we go. Here's the outside of the walk around. It's a little foggy, like I said. It does run and drive. Here's my Jasper sticker right here. It said it had 143,413 miles. Second. The tires are new and fresh. It is the Overland. The seats are ripped. The dash is scrunched up. It is navy blue. That's the other door open. Just replaced the battery, so it's got a new fresh battery in there from Odyssey. Excuse the filters, I got work to do. Back seats do look good. It's the front seat they got all the wear. So there's the passenger seat. You see the rip there, armrest, driver's seat. Everything else works in this thing, except the radio. The radio doesn't work. Of course, the wood trim on this door is coming off. Like I said, this is a mechanic special, so it's not gonna cost a whole lot, but hell, it ain't gonna be the cheapest either. The radio does not work. It doesn't power on. I have tried to get it to power on. I have removed it. Power hatch in the back. Like I said, I did remove it and make sure it was power hatch switch, and it is. So it's the radio that needs to be replaced. It's got a subwoofer in the back. Let's see what's down here. Full size spare. Light. Did y'all know that these Cherokees came with a light? My other one got it too. I didn't know that until just recently. It's got a tow hitch. It's 2-wheel drive with a Hemi V8. 5.7 for y'all who really need to know. Rear climate AC, heated seats, panoramic roof. Driver's side. Here's our mileage. It is 193.29. Checking engine light is on. Here are our codes. This way here. What codes do we have? We have a P0016. That's it. System voltage low. The battery's already been replaced. So it's got a new fresh battery in it. Code is P0016. No, I won't be putting any extra money in it. Yes, that's the only code I know. AC does need to be charged, but the fan and everything works. Go. Sometimes the forward collision warning light comes on. The FCW light will come on. Trying to think of anything else. That's it. That's it. But I can't put any more money into it. I got to move on. So my loss is your game. I'm Chris with McMath Autos. Peace.